This is a little magnet from my broken motor from my drone that I disassembled, and they're very strong small magnets. One is right here, the other I used tweezers and I think it was Gorilla Glue. No, I think it's just super glue to put another right below the little rubber nub thing right here. I might also just paint this black or Sharpie it black, so it's a little bit less visible, but it's very unimportant. It was annoying before because the spring had broken and this would just kind of flop around. Small potatoes, but you know, if it's in your line of sight and you're driving a lot, it's nice to have the ability to close that, and it's kind of also a satisfying snick when it does shut. Almost perhaps better than the original spring mechanism. So hope you enjoy. Bye.